What's the meaning of boules? Boules. Boules.
Boules. Boules. Boules refers to a group of games involving metal or wooden balls which are rolled or thrown toward a target. The objective is usually to get the balls as close as possible to the target ball or to knock the opponent's balls away from it. These games originated in France, but have since spread around the world and can be found played recreationally and competitively in various countries. Playing boules requires skill, strategy, and precision, making it a popular pastime for people of all ages and backgrounds. Whether played casually or as part of organized tournaments, boules provides a fun and challenging way to socialize and compete with others.